Welcome back. Today is December 16th, Wednesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets before diving into Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, and see what has changed since yesterday's post. I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're now giving away 4 free stocks instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please to also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, let's see what exactly is going on in the crypto markets today. We do have Bitcoin dominance at over 65% now, up almost 1% since yesterday. I do expect Bitcoin dominance to continue trending upwards, and this means that a lot of the altcoins, with exception to some, of course, are going to be trailing Bitcoin price action. Okay, so when Bitcoin dominance is trending upwards, I will be more cautious if Bitcoin price action has pullbacks, because that is where that uptrend in Bitcoin dominance is going to come from. When Bitcoin price action pulls back, altcoins on average is going to pull back more than Bitcoin price action. Okay, now of course there's still going to be tradable moments for altcoins, namely when Bitcoin is trending upwards. Okay, so Bitcoin price action now is at all-time high, about 21.3K. In my opinion, has broken out of that rising wedge pattern, and I do expect to continue going upwards. So let's see what happens. Now let's dive right into Yearn Finance, YFIUSD, and see what has changed since yesterday. Since yesterday, the price action on the daily time frame, more specifically, has broken back down below the daily 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line right here, after it has gone on top of the daily 21 just right here, and it immediately got a pullback and closed right back down below it. Now today we have a little more than an hour until the daily close of this candle right here. Let's see if this candle close can be above the daily 21 simple. However, I do see that this bullish candle right here has a lot more volume than the previous, so I am actually more convinced that this is a bullish move for YFI. Now let's take a look onto the 4-hour time frame and see what exactly has gone on since yesterday. I did mention that since the price action has closed back down below the daily 21 simple moving average, the next level of support I'll be looking at will be the 4-hour 200 simple moving average, between which is the last line of support below the daily, between the daily 21 and the bottom trend line right here. That's where I was a little worried, because what if the other traders are not charting the same chart as I was? However, it did turn out that this chart was valid. Tells me that a lot of other traders or people in the market are seeing the same pattern, and the price action has gone almost as far down as the bottom trend line right here before bouncing right off of it and now reaching about 26.7K on the 1-hour time frame. Since that bullish move for about a couple hours ago, it has actually formed a symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle patterns are bullish continuation patterns, and a 60% chance of it breaking upwards. If this actually breaks upwards, let's say at the tip of the triangle, then the measured target would be about 28.8K. Okay, that is an approximate measured target, may or may not be reached. 60% chance of it breaking upwards. Okay, so that is the evaluation of the markets so far. Let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario. Bullish case scenario would still be for the price action to continue within this rising wedge pattern. And of course, the next major level of resistance is still going to be the 30K level. Past support now is resistance, and that is the next major level of resistance between the price action now and the top trend line, which was what I kept saying to be about 34K, roughly in that range, depending on what day the price action hits it. Okay, so that is the bullish case scenario. First of all, get close above the 21 simple moving average. Next level of resistance is 30K. And if the price action can get above 30K, the next level of the next price level I'll be looking at is the top trend line, which is about 34K approximately. Now let's take a look into the bearish case scenario. Bearish case scenario would obviously for the price action to break down below this rising wedge pattern, but let's actually take into consideration of some early warning signs. If the symmetrical triangle pattern actually breaks to the downside, which there is still 40% chance of that happening, the measured target of that, if actually breaks at the tip of the triangle, would drop the price action to about 25.5K, okay? So that would actually mean that the price action is going to close below the daily 21 simple moving average again. I'll be a little more cautious this time because if the price action continues breaking support, such as the 25K level, it might actually dip back down to the bottom trend line again. Not really sure if this is going to hold up this time. It's going to be a decision point at every time at support and resistance, in my opinion. So that is part one of the bearish case scenario. If the symmetrical triangle pattern does not break to the upside and actually breaks down, the next level of support I'll be looking at is the 25K level. If the 25K level breaks, it might come down and test some of these moving averages again and possibly at the bottom trend line again, okay? At each of these support levels, it's a decision point, in my opinion, on if either the price is going to hold or not. I don't want to see this rising wedge pattern actually get broken because the next level of support below this bottom trend line is what I'm seeing to be the 12-hour 200 simple moving average, which is about 21.6K, which is quite far down from this position at about 24K, which is the bottom trend line approximately, okay? So that's what I'll be looking at for, and these are my bullish and bearish case scenarios for today. Hope you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.